Mack Trucks. Author D. Selzer-McKenzie. Mack Trucks is one of the world's leading truck manufacturing companies. It is currently a subsidiary of AB Volvo. The company's headquarters are located in Allentown, Pennsylvania, United States, in the Lehigh Valley. Currently, the company's primary manufacturing facilities are located at the McKenzie Assembly Operations Plant in McKenzie, Pennsylvania, and at their New River Valley Assembly Operations in Dublin, Virginia. Mack Trucks is a top producer in the vocational, on-road vehicle market, Class 8 through Class 13. It is also the most popular manufacturer of heavy-duty off-road trucks in America. The company's distinctive logo, a chrome-plated, sometimes gold-plated, bulldog, can be found on the front of almost all Mack trucks. Mack trucks have been sold in 45 countries. The McKenzie, Pennsylvania, manufacturing plant, located close to its Allentown headquarters, produces the Mack Granite, LE, and MR models, including the construction and refuse series products. In Dublin, Virginia, the Pinnacle and CH Highway models are made at the New River Valley Assembly Plant. Engines: the Mack Sitorque EST 300 series transmissions, the TC-15 transfer cases, and rear engine power takeoffs are designed and manufactured in Hagerstown, Maryland, which, according to local historians, was the original factory location. Parts for Mack's right-hand drive vehicles are produced in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia, for worldwide distribution. Assembly for South America is done at Mack de Venezuela SIA, in Caracas, Venezuela. The Venezuela operation is a complete knockdown, CKD, facility. Components are shipped from the United States to Caracas, and the plant then does final assembly. In addition to its McKenzie manufacturing facility, Mack also has a remanufacturing center in Middletown, Pennsylvania, where it takes used parts and refurbishes them for resale/reuse. On August 14, 2008, Mack Trucks announced a major restructuring plan that includes left square bracket to right square bracket, relocation of Mack's head office, product development, most support functions, and purchasing functions to Greensboro, North Carolina in 2009. Mack's parent, Volvo Trucks, already has its North American base in Greensboro. Assembly of all produced Mack highway vehicle in McKenzie, Pennsylvania from 2008. Mack's testing facility in Allentown, Pennsylvania, will be converted into customer demonstration/reception center in 2010. Restructuring the parts distribution network by 2010. Now delayed to first quarter 2011. History. This is a timeline of Mack Trucks history. Most of the information is taken from the Mack history page at macktrucks.com, unless otherwise noted. Left square bracket 3 right square bracket. Mack truck used to carry ore at the Acostam Mine Museum in Real Del Monte, Hidalgo State, Mexico. A Mack C-49-DT coach built in 1956. 1890, John M. Mack gets a job at Falleson and Berry, a carriage and wagon company in Brooklyn, New York. 1893, Mack and his brother, Augustus F. Mack, buy the company John worked for. 1894, a third Mack brother, William C. Mack, joins his brothers in the company's operations. The Macks try working with steam-powered and electric motor cars. 1900 seconds, inspired by Orville and Wilbur Wright, Willys Carrier and Henry Ford's inventions, John Mack has a vision, dreaming about producing heavy-duty trucks and engines. 1900, the Macks opened their first bus manufacturing plant. The Mack bus, ordered by a sightseeing company, is delivered. 1902, the Mack Brothers Company established in New York. 1904, the company introduces the name Manhattan on its products. 1905, Allentown selected as the home of main manufacturing operations, and headquarters. A fourth Mack brother, Joseph Mack, becomes a stockholder. Mack begins to make rail cars and locomotives. 1910, the Manhattan name changed. From now on, the trucks are known as Mack trucks. Charles Mack, a fifth Mack brother, joins the company. 1911, the Sauer Motor Truck Company, headed by C.P. Coleman, had the rights to manufacture and sell heavy trucks under the Sauer brand name at its plant in Plainfield, New Jersey. On September 23, 1911, the Sauer Motor Truck Company merged with the Mack Brothers Motor Car Company of Allentown, headed by J. M. Mack, to form the International Motor Truck Company, IMTC. IMTC would continue to make and sell trucks using the Sauer name until 1918. The capitalization of IMTC was $2.6 million total, $1.6 million for Sauer, or 61.5%, and $1.0 million for Mack Brothers. For right square bracket. 1912, brothers John and Joseph Mack leave. 1919, the United States Army conducts a transcontinental project using Mack trucks to study the need for national highway systems. 1922, the company name is changed to Mack Trucks, Incorporated. The bulldog is accepted as the company's corporate symbol. 1924, Jack Mack dies in a car crash in Weatherly, Pennsylvania. 1933, Mack Trucks helps in the building of many American structures, including the Hoover Dam. 1956, Mack Trucks, Incorporated buys Brockway Motor Company. Brockway ceases in 1977. 1966, Mack begins production at its assembly plant in Oakville, Ontario, Canada. The facility closed in 1993. 1967, Mack Trucks becomes a part of the Signal Oil and Gas Company. Later that year Signal changes its name to the Signal Companies, Incorporated. 1970, Mack moves into its new Allentown World headquarters. 1979, Renault buys 10% of Mack Trucks, Incorporated. 1982, Renault increases ownership stake to 20%, Signal lowers its stake to 10%. 1983, Mack Trucks does a 15.7 million share IPO of common stock. Renault increases holdings to 40%, while Signal reduces its stake to 10.3%. 1987, Renault reorganizes. Renault Véhicules Industriels buys Renault's Mack shares. 1990, Mack Trucks become a wholly owned subsidiary of Renault Véhicules Industriels. 2001, Mack together with Renault Véhicules Industriels becomes part of Volvo AB of Sweden. Their parent company Renault SA receives a 20% stake in a combined company. In 2002 Renault Véhicules Industriels changes its name to Renault Trucks. 2006, Mack has a record sale year. 2008, Mack announces relocation of corporate headquarters to Greensboro, North Carolina. Left square bracket to right square bracket. Edit right square bracket market, model and products timeline. Mack AC-model flat delivery truck at the Peterson Automotive Museum. Mack 6 times 4N-model 4-TO-6 ton wrecker. Photo dated 15th of May, 1941. National Archives c/o olivedrab.com. This is a timeline of Mack Trucks history. Most of the information is taken from the Mack history page at macktrucks.com, unless otherwise noted.